In a deserted island, survival is not easy. If we don't know the right way, the risk of exhaustion, dehydration, and danger is very high. Today, let's see which options are right and which are wrong.
Huh?
Running around under the hot sun will dehydrate you faster. The right thing to do is to calm down, find shade or shelter first to sit and calm down. Never drink seawater. Its salt will only make you thirstier and more dehydrated.
What if there is no water?
Look for fruits like coconuts or bananas, or dig a hole near the sandy shore to let fresh water seep in. That's a smart survival method. That's dangerous. Fire spreads easily in dry forests. Build your fire on open ground, surrounded by stones for safety.
What if it's cold at night?
Build a shelter from palm leaves and branches, or bury part of your body in sand to stay warm. Keep a small fire for warmth and to repel insects. Be careful. Not every fruit is safe to eat. Stick to familiar ones, or test by tasting a little and waiting a few hours. Absolutely not, Bobby Ball. Eating raw fish can cause stomach aches, parasites, or even food poisoning and death.
But I'm so hungry. What should I do?
That's right. Catching fish is a valuable food source in survival, but we must make a fire and cook it, grill or boil it before eating. That way it's both tasty and safe.
So it's a delicious meal and no stomach problems. Awesome. How to be saved?
Create SOS signals with rocks or logs, or use smoke and fire during the day. That's how ships and planes can easily spot you. Don't wander deep into the forest alone. If you must go, mark your path with branches, carvings, or small rock piles. On a deserted island, the four most important survival elements are water, fire, shelter, signals. Remember them. Your life depends on it.